we are going to make a beautiful cross using 4 keys. I have 2 pairs of keys, 2 gold and 2 silver. I will also be using this half moon washer. You will need some heavy duty super glue. I am choosing to use this Gorilla Glue. I am going to begin by placing the 2 larger gold keys vertically. I will then place some super glue on the 2 gold keys and attach the half moon washer, and this will connect those 2 keys together. This is not my original creation, as I saw something similar, but mine is different because I'm going to be having mine be 3-dimensional using this half moon washer. I am now going to place some super glue on top of the half moon washer and also on top of one of the silver keys. I am going to overlap the silver keys on top of that half moon washer, and this will be the horizontal portion of our cross. I am loving it so far, and it is super easy. I will next look through my miscellaneous jewelry pieces that I have and save for crafts. There's a barrette piece, some earrings, and this is what I want to use right here. I love this earring. This will be a beautiful decorative element on top of our cross. I need to use my jewelry pliers to remove the hook off of the earring. Next, I'm going to use my jewelry pliers to bend the little circular portion on the earring back behind the rest of it so that you won't see that part. And then pinch it closed with the pliers. And this is what we have now. Beautiful. Placing the rest of my jewelry pieces back into the little jar for another craft on another day. Now to get back to making our cross. I will place some Gorilla Super Glue on top of the top key, as you see here. And then I will place our jewelry embellishment on top of that key. Look how pretty. I love it. Now, where do you put this cross? I am going to show you. Here it is on my beautiful bar in my formal living room. Here it is being placed on my desk in my office on the darker wood. And I didn't plan for this to happen, but it's cool. The little opening on the back side of the keys is perfect for putting a nail on the wall and hanging it on the wall. I absolutely love creating beautiful things from ordinary objects.